Well, hello there everybody. How is everybody doing? If you're new to this channel, it is great to have you along. And if you're a returning subscriber, I am so sorry that I've not got any content out lately. But we'll go into that a little bit later. But right now, I'm on my way to meet Dave, Simon and Jay, and I think Scott as well, as we are going to go for a trip down to South Wales for the day. So guys, I shall see you after the intro, and we'll have a little discussion as to what's going on in the background at the minute. So guys, before we get to Dave's and obviously go for our beautiful day out today, yeah, we haven't got any content out lately because there's been a lot going on in the background, with family illnesses, stuff like that. Both me and Kay we've both been physically exhausted, so there has been zero time to get out on the bike. I was saying this earlier, I've not actually been out on my bike since the Lake Vyrnwy weekend. That's what, over a month ago now? We did the Lake Vyrnwy weekend and I've not touched the bike since. So I've come out today, one, for my own mental health as well, because it does have an effect on you, especially if riding is a therapy for you. And also we didn't obviously vlog Lake Vyrnwy either because we wanted to just enjoy that weekend, go back to basics of no cameras, just man and machine, shall we say. And what an amazing, thank you. But again, what an amazing weekend that was. So firstly, Craig and all the Motorhead boys, amazing weekend, amazing. Thank you so much for putting that on for us all. Obviously Elan Valley's back out again, and they've also released a Southwest tour, which I'm going to try my hardest to get onto as well. Just got to marry up some dates. So yeah, so the last time I actually used the camera was when I did the Hayabusa video. I'll leave a link up here somewhere. Yeah, I don't even know if I can remember how to do this vlogging stuff. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. Let's get to Dave's. Hello.
Oh. How are you, mate?
Yeah, not bad. You? How are you?
Not too bad, mate. Thank you.
Hey.
How are you, mate?
Hello.
Good to see you, man.
Oh.
Nice cup of tea.
I'm alright, thank you.
Right,
yes.
How's it going, kiddo?
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Oh. I was just thinking that, Jay, you know, thinking, is this the first time you've been here on your bike? It's fucking busy though, isn't it?
I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always get
it. It is a few here today. So we've got our first little stop off of the day. We've got the Food Stop Cafe in Bridgenorth. We're going to stop off for a nice little brew. Just warm the core up. So yeah, shall see you in a minute. I really wish I recorded
I'm always thankful for something, don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
I set off in the wrong gear.
When I feel like
Dave. Bye, Dave. Wait. Bye, Dave. Bye, Dave.
So good, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so good, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack.
So we have arrived at Dom's bike stop. It's the first time for me being here. Loads of bikes though. Absolutely gorgeous. Great route planned by Dave.
Alright, mate.
Alright, mate!
Alright, Cartsy's fans, how's it going?
My fans are your fans.
Are they?
Yeah?
Alright, that's great. I was going to say, I don't want your fans, but no, I really do, because I need them.
Let's go get some breakfast. I'm starving. That's Dom's calf. Must admit, not overly impressed. I thought it was down that way. No, head towards Hereford. I just don't think we just don't turn off this road, do we? It's just all the way down now. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Bye, Dave. I think that's what I'm going to call this video. Goodbye, Dave. Yay! I like roads like this. Yeah, but I guarantee this house on the left hand side now is huge and beautiful, and you'd never see it unless you came down this road. Look at that, that is gorgeous.
Don't wanna see
Yeah, if you want it.
Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll
Hence
show
why
you
there is
with
moss on the
action.
ground.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got
Bye,
these
Dave.
things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel
Hi,
this
Dave.
pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know.
Wait. Ignore sat nav. When you find yourself submerged in water, you know you've gone wrong. Oh! Oh, this is amazing. Oh, look at... You know when I said find yourself submerged in water? That is... Yeah, you like to think. I've got 10% left on my GoPro battery. 10%. Oh, please help. Scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. He's done that as a tactical decision, because then if a car's coming round, they're going to hit us and not him. I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this. I'll give you this, Dave. This is great. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these. This is a this sheep just doesn't give a fuck, does he? Oh, really? That's gorgeous. There's a fly fisherman down there. Can we go across that bridge? Oh, wow. Where have you... Where does it say that? Did it? Oh. I don't see no sign saying no drones. Although I haven't brought my drone with me. Oh, look at the kayakers down there. They need to go find themselves some white water. That looks boring as hell. So what was that? That was the A466, and that was an amazing road. So guys, what a fantastic day that has been. I mean, this is all down to Dave, aka MotovlogUK. He's planned all this. Great day today, Dave. Absolutely amazing.
Lovely ride, eh, mate?
Absolutely gorgeous. Si, have you enjoyed yourself today? Have you enjoyed yourself today?
It's been great, mate.
Been great, good lad.
It's been
oosh. Oosh.
Toilets are mean. You know when you go abroad, toilets are like, they're really clean, aren't they, in that service stations?
Yeah.
But they're absolutely rank.
On that note, we're going to sign off this video.
Sorry, you want comms?
No, I'm just recording the end of the video. Okay, but it adds that extra bit of flavour to it.
Okay. Sorry about that.
yeah, absolutely amazing day out on the bike.
My name's Jay, Crazy Legs on the Bike. Subscribe.
Every day is an adventure. Yeah, just going to get back the fastest way possible now. So there's no point in recording. You don't want to see me sitting on dual carriageway and motorway home. Got about an hour and 45 home. Plus, I've got to be up at 1 o'clock in the morning, and by the time I get home, it's going to be 7 o'clock to go to work. So, fastest way home. Get a little bit of bite to eat. Say hello to the wife. And get ready for tomorrow, which is my little man's 9th birthday. Can't believe my little man is going to be 9. Right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one. I hope you stay safe, and I hope to see you out there. See you later, guys.